you mentioned the party.
What?
Well, it's time to go.
No, it's not the same if you have to be asked.
Well, if that's the way you feel about it, don't go. But they're expecting you.
That's funny. I told them I was coming.
Well, maybe that's the reason they don't know you're there.
Well, why don't we go?
I now pronounce you man and wife.
Hey, why don't you come over to my place Friday night for a late supper?
How late?
Oh, somewhere around Sunday noon.
Last Saturday, I attended the wedding of two old classmates. The bride was my classmate in high school. The groom, unfortunately, was my classmate in college.
I simplified my boss's filing system and put everything under A. A letter, a customer, a contract. Now I'm looking for a job.
It is written that he who would chase the man-eating tiger would be well to look in the back streets of Rangoon between 9 and midnight.
Boris and I joined a sexual freedom league, and within 2 weeks, our team took first place.
Last night I dreamed I fell asleep in the middle of the freeway. Golly, I got so scared. I got scared so much. I got up, moved over to the
curb. I think Secretary Finch would have had more luck last summer if he had nominated Dr. Knowles on a Wednesday. AMA would have been out playing golf.
I regret to report that the Beatles have fallen on hard times. I saw them the other day passing the same cigarette around.
In my day, girls' skirts went up to there, but not so often.
Baron, I read the government's paying Senator Eastland $116,000 not to grow anything on his farm.
Dan, that ain't nothing. The brothers in my neighborhood would be happy not to grow it for half that much.
My latest underground movie, The Sex Life of a Tossed Salad, opened last night. The New York critics didn't like it, but Julia Child gave it 4 stars. Kiss the beaver.
Wow! Diana Ross, you lost your belt. Guess what, darling? Did you know that Harry Belafonte's career started when his shirt came back from the laundry sans buttons?
Funny, that's how Jane Fonda got started, too.